dahil ba sa mas makukulit ng mga to? Or kaya mas lumalabas? Or kasi pag nandiyan yung dad and mom mo and your sister, parang hindi ka ganyan kakulit eh. Pero kanina, ang saya, lalo na yung hawak mo yung cake mo.
Yeah, so kasi yung cast natin, we've been bonding together. Nag-workshop kami, we rehearsed din. We do rehearsals together, so we've spent a couple of hours with each other already. Kaya para sa akin, I feel like we've all gotten a lot closer talaga. And even if we haven't started the taping, you can see the connection that we all have, and we're all really just good friends talaga.
So wala pang taping. So ang mga banding nyo during workshop.
Yes po.
Nakakatuwa, no? Parang ang close nyo. Kayo ni Andre Iliana, close na kayo. Kasi your dad at saka yung mom niya nagsama sa movie. Nagsama sa movie na lang sasabihin ko para ano. Pwede ko bang sabihin yung iba?
Well, you know, I get to work with Andre now, and I'm really happy talaga. It's an honor, and so far, he's a great friend of mine. So,
Muntik ko maging kapatid yan.
Ano?
Muntik ko maging kapatid yan.
Si Andre yung nagsabi nun,
Hindi ko sinabi yan,
Charot lang.
Charot lang. Sige. Naku, gusto ko pa naman sanang tugtungan ng tanong. Pero, aware ang dad mo that Andre is part of the cast? And Andre, aware your mom? Aiko, aware sila na magkakasama kayo dito sa mutya ng Section E. Ikaw muna, Andrea.
Yes, aware naman po si Mommy nung nasabi ko po sa kanya.
Anong reaction?
Wala naman po. Actually, happy siya nung nabanggit ko ng mga ka-work ko po si Andrew.
Walang kwento? Knowing your mom, may kinento siya.
Wala naman.
So, Andrea, your dad knows that you're co-starring with Andre, the son of Aiko.
Yun nga. So when I told my dad na I'm gonna work with Andre, anak ni Aiko, he was very excited. He was happy kasi he knows, Tita Aiko, So, yeah. So,
ang saya na, no? Yung mga dating magkakasama, kung di ko masabing magkakarelasyon, ang mga anak ko, stars na, wala ko sinabing magkakasama, okay? O, muntik lang. Yan, pero good luck, no? Parang ang saya-saya netong mutya ng Section E, di ba? Yan. Pero, yan, good luck, guys, girls!
Thank you, True Lale ng Abante. So, dun po sa pangalawa magtatanong is Jojo Panaligan ng Rider PH. Lapit na lang tayo sa wired mic so we can move things along. Alright. Your turn to speak po.
Question ko kay Direk, pati sa writer. Basic lang po, gaano kahirap o kadali ang pag-assemble ng cast na ito?
Mahirap po! Kasi 16 boys. Parang kung Meteor Garden, 4 lang yung nambubuli kay Sunshine, di ba? Ito, 16. Kailangan namin maghanap ng 16 na lalaki na mambuli sa isang babae. So, medyo mahirap siya, pero ang masaya, ang ganda ng pagkasulat ni Lara, klarong-klaro yung definition ng bawat character. So, for me, sa audition process, ang ginawa ko, more than acting, kinikilala ko sila. Anong personality mo? What do you do for fun? Kasi doon ko nakikita kung saan character sila nababagay. Ano din sa Lara, sa audition, nagulat din siya, ang daming tao.
Can we hear from Lara, please?
Kasi hindi ako magaling sa talaga, para sa akin kasi first impression talaga. So parang tinuro ko na kung sinitingin kong casting, pero syempre may dialogue, may script reading lang. So kaya nung hindi ko nakita yung hinahanap ko, parang napaka-question ako na baka nga hindi bagay sa kanya.
Pero yung sinusulat mo to, Lara, hindi mo nakita na balang araw gagawin ganito at kung ganun man ay may mga naisip ka na?
Hindi po. Random lang talaga siya na pagtripan ko lang po. Tapos ayun, nagulat ako na unti-unti nagkaka-million reads na siya. Sabi ko, ano itong ginawa ko? So, ayun po.
Like that word na pagtripan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's Jojo Panaligan ng Rider PH. Next up, it's Mark Grabador, Entertainment Web. Entertainment Web.
Hello, good afternoon. Yung question ka para kay Ashley. Baby girl,
Hello,
sa
po.
dami ng mga diva artist na girls, ikaw ano pakiramdam, baby?
Sobrang thankful lang po. Wala akong masabi kung thank you, Lord. Kasi parang I've been with Viva po for the past few years po and sobrang yung mga work ko pong nagawa noon sa kanila, marami rin po ako natutunan doon. And finally po, nabigyan po nila ako ng break. Kaya sobrang thankful lang po.
Right, thank you. And before we proceed, para sa ibang estudyante ng higher value, right down there, kung sinong gustong sumagot no, dun sa tanong, how is your character similar to who you actually are in real life? Yan, honey takers. Para naman mas makilala natin kayo before we proceed with the Q&A proper as well. So the ones down here, yeah?
Okay, that's a hard question. My character po is Calix Rivera. For those who don't know me, I'm Ethan David po. And I'm so glad to be here. I just want to thank all of you for coming here. Sobrang dami pong tao. To answer that question, kung may similarities po kami ni Calix Rivera, siguro wala. Kasi playboy po siya dito. And I can say that I'm not a playboy. I'm a good boy. Tama ba? Tama ba? Ayun. Sino ba? David.
The only common thing I can say about my character is that at my age right now, I also would prefer peace talk. I'm not one for violence unless unless it's actually needed for self-defense. But being at the age of 17 or 18, I don't think I was as mature as David. So ayun po, right now it's just that.
Any other takers? Yep.
Ako po, sobrang natutuwa ako kasi parang napansin ko lang super kaugali ko si Sian, as in super talaga. Like, sobrang kulit ko, tas super nga. Oo nga. So yun, parang basta makulit ako, ayun na yun. Sobra.
Sa akin naman po, I feel like I connect with my character a lot kasi magkapartner mo ni Sian, diba? Oy, Sian! Ano ba? Ba't ka nandun? Anong layo mo? Kapag nandun mo sa mo? Di ba? So, yun.
Alright. Pero pa bang gusto sumagot sa bahaging yan? Anyone else? Can we proceed?
Everyone, I'm Keegan Benetos, portraying Calix. Siguro, pagkakapareho namin ng character na to, parehas kaming may goal. Parehas kaming passionate sa goal namin. Makashoot! And parehas kaming makulit and friendly. Parehas kaming makulit and friendly. And higit sa lahat, parehas kaming mabilis mabigon. Konting asar lang, ganyan talaga.
Ako po, parehas kaming tamad. I'm serious. Tapos, detective din po ako. Sorry na.
Okay, thank you for that. Yan po ang tinig at mga sentimiento ng ibang estudyante natin from higher value. Next up, we have Amiel Busel ng KPAX.
Next for you as a writer, do you have plans for more books or possibly more screen adaptations in the future?
More books po talaga kasi may mga kanya-kanyang story po talaga yung mga ulupong. So ngayon, hinold ko kasi sila kasi hindi ko pa natatapos yung Amutsa. And may book trip pa. Ang bala ko pag natapos yun, saka ko i-release yung mga story nila.
Thank you for that. Thank you. That's Amiel Busel ng KPAX. We also have Angelica Villanueva of the Manila Standard.
Hello po. Hi, I'm here. My question po sa author po, no? So, how is it seeing those characters na sinulat niyo po before na parang nasa, ito na sila, totoong characters na sila in real life. And, pasok po ba siya dun sa na-imagine yung character sa nasinulat niyo? Compare po na ito pong characters na nandito na. Thank you.
Yung totoo po is first impression, hindi talaga. Tapos sabi nga po sa akin, bigyan ko ng chance kasi artista sila. Yung skills nila lumalabas kapag umarte sila. So, nung nakilala ko na po sila, kanina lang, na-realize ko na related din pala sila sa mga character kasi ang kukulit nila. So, makapasaway. Merong isa nangungutang na tinabihan lang ako nangungutang. So, ayun. So na-realize ko na unti-unti, o nga no, so active pala sila sa character. Ngayon nakikita ko na sila. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you. That's Angelica Villanueva of Manila Standard. Next up, Junardo, Marites University.
Role mo rito? Ay, hello po. Ako po si Aris dito. Anong role mo? Pinsan ko po si JJ. Tapos, jowa ko po si Ella.
Bully ka ba rito?
Hindi po.
Hindi ka mabait ka.
So, napakabait.
Playful lang.
Naku, hindi po.
Wala kayong eksena na Andres?
Marami po. Magkaaway po kami.
Oh?
Opo.
Anong away?
Siya po.
Dahil sa babae?
Opo.
Oh, ganun ka ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Hindi po. Masama po nakikipag-away.
Opo. So how do you feel na ito ko lang naman na isa ka rin sa nagliliit dito sa Wattpad series na to? After, ano ba yung yung training ka ba? Di ba?
Train po, yes.
Oh, training.
I feel very blessed po. Tsaka thankful kasi binigay po yung opportunity to work with Directed po ulit. And all trust lang po kay Direct and sa writer po. And all the cast din po.
Okay, gano'n. Tanong ko naman si girl. Hindi ko memorize sino siya.
Heart po.
So anong feeling mo? Isang Andre. Kasi Andre, ano ba yan? Ano ba itong pangalan niya? Anong feeling mo? Isang Andre mo lang. Andre Iliana, ang kasama mo na galing sa isang pamilya na
at first po, na-intimidate po ako kasi he's one of, like Andres, one of the known families, co-actors po talaga.
Hindi mo marunong mag-Tagalog?
Marunong naman po.
Sige, tuloy mo lang. Tagalog.
So, kinabahan po ako noon.
Okay,
but pero, nung nag-workshop po kami, doon po kami nagkakilala ng gusto.
Ni
Andre.
Hindi si Andres, okay.
Ni Andre.
Okay.
Actually,
si Andres din.
Si Andres po, kasama ka po sa sitcom ng The First Family.
Kasama mo pala. So, sanay ka na kay Andres.
Kilala.
Gwapo ba si Andres?
Opo, yes.
Diba, Andres ako. Thank you.
Alright.
Di ba ako tapos? Itong yung Lichi JJ,
Last na yan, ha?
Hindi pa meron pa ako Andres, Ilan pa pong tatanong dyan? Sige, bigay mo na. Mas interesting yata yan.
Hindi, biro lang po. Go ahead. Last one. Thank you, Mr. Junardo of Marites University. We have Ivor Bermejo of Capamilya Universe.
Hello po. Good afternoon po. First of all, congratulations po. Bali, first question ko is for Direct and sa writer po, Ms. Lara. Bali, ano po yung expect ng mga audience dito sa adaptation ng Amutya ng Section E? Kung may mga bago ba from Wattpad or mag-i-stay pa rin yung mismong Wattpad sa mismong live adaptation po?
Siguro ang natutunan namin from the university series is dapat hindi baguhin kung anong minahal ng mga tao sa Wattpad series na Mutya ng Section E. So, wala po kaming babaguhin sa kwento. Same po yung mangyayari. Pero siguro dahil yung medium is visual medium, syempre pag libro alam naman natin chapters yun, na sobrang descriptive yung mga kung anong train of thought nila. Yun na yung mababago kasi we have to visualize whatever is in their thoughts. And syempre dahil 16 episodes lang kami, we also have to compress yung 125 chapters ng book. But otherwise, minimal changes.
Kay Miss Lara, ano po yung reaction niyo na hindi gaano mabago yung original story niyo na Mutya ng Section 8?
Of course, happy ako na makikip yung essence saka yung mga important part. Pero kung meron mang baguhin or maiba mula sa libro, sinisiguro ko naman mula sa reader ko na pinayagan ko yun. Na okay lang kasi nakita ko na na-justify naman ng mga writer yung scene na yun.
Thank you, Kapamilya Universe. Next up, we have Carlos Aragon ng Mega Kapamilya.
For direct po, yung Wattpad project niyo po, like Just the Way You, became a back office hit, and yung recent na Rain in España ay one of the most successful series sa Viva One. May pressure po ba kayong nararamdaman or are you confident na magiging successful itong Mutya ng Section E, just like your previous work po?
Siyempre, bawat project naman ayokong sabing dapat confident ka. Dapat may pressure pa rin kahit papaano para you'll strive to do good, to be better than the last time. So, definitely may pressure because I'm launching more than 16 artists. And of course, kailangan magustuhan na rin ng mga readers ng series ng Wattpad yung series. So, nandun yung pressure, but at the same time, in a way, may konting confidence din. Kasi ngayon ko nga lang naalala yung first movie ko pala, Wattpad din. The Bet yun eh. So in other words, thank you for reminding me na hit yung dalawa. So I'm hoping na it comes in threes. Ito yung next. Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations. And for writers po, how does it feel to see the character you created come to life on screen?
I think same.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Bobby.
First, of course, excited, kinakabahan, and worried din ako para sa mga gaganap. Pero sabi nga, napili sila dahil fit sila sa role. So naniniwala naman ako sa mga kakayahan nila. Thank you po.
There you have it. Thank you, Mega Kapamilya. Next up, MJ De Leon, Glitz PH.
Hello, I'm for Andres. This is the first family, but that was with your parents and sister. Ito yung first na ikaw talaga, like you're separated from them. So parang launch mo talaga to into showbiz. How do you feel about it? At bakit, ito ba yung talagang you like to like introduce yourself in public, nga ganito yung material?
Unang-una, so this is my second project, right? And I'm very grateful and blessed to be doing The First Family with my parents and my sister and the other great people in the cast. But overall, this project, when it first got pitched and when I heard about the cast, I was really, really excited, super excited actually, guys. Like, I couldn't hide my smile talaga. As well, when Direct Ted spoke to me, I felt relieved also because knowing that I get to work with such a great director on a show like this. And even the story, Mutya ng Section E, the fan base is so big and they just have a lot of support from the people, and I just wanted to, get to join that opportunity.
Congratulations, thank you.
Thank you. That's Glitz PH.
Ano you were launched. Ano yung naging preparation mo? Paano ka gumaling? And similar ba sa real Andres, yung as a student, yung character?
Yung character, okay, unang-una, yung Tagalog ko, inaaral ko yan araw-araw talaga, okay? Kahit sa bahay, and also working with my family rin sa The First Family. Yung mga eksena natin, puro Filipino, diba? So, I really tried to work on it every day, and I tried to read them all. And then, yan. Could you repeat the last part? Sorry. My character, yes. I would say I'm very similar in the sense na si Kiefer ay super loyal and protective for the people that he cares about. The people of the Section E. And for me, I feel I'm similar in the sense na I'm very loyal and protective to the people that I love the most and the people that I cherish, which is my family and my friends. So thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate that, Random Republica. Next up, we have Jayco Manangan ng Jayco Talks.
Hi everyone. First of all, congratulations to the cast and of course Direk. And my question kay Ms. Giselle, the writer. What inspired you to write Mucha ng Section E? Was there a particular moment or experience that sparked the story?
After reading another Wattpad story, kasi common naman yun na nai-inspire ka sa another story. Merong part doon sa story na yun, na yung bidang babae inilipat sa last section kasi lahat sila may lower score or mababa yung grades. So, dahil matalino siya, nilagay siya doon. And then, isinali siya ng contest or beauty contest. Tapos, may part doon na sinuportahan siya ng section na yun. So, parang doon na pumasok na what if nga may ganon na iisang babae lang siya. Tapos napunta siya sa ganung section. Tapos later ko lang na-realize, nangyayari pala talaga siya na iisang babae lang sa klase. So, yun po, thank you.
Kay Direk, since ang Mucha ng Section E pumatok sa Wattpad noong 2017 pa, paano niyo siya gagawin relevant ngayon para sa Gen Z?
Paano gawing relevant? Of course, yung mga changes namin, syempre noong 2016, iba pa yung millennial pa yun eh. Yung mga teenagers. Ngayon, Gen Z na. And for me, I'm very optimistic kasi yung cast ko, sabi ko sa kanila, this will be a collaboration. Kasi at the end of the day, Gen X ako eh. Kayo naman yung totoong Gen Z, even the writers are millennials. So, sa script reading namin, ayun, nagtatanungan kami, ito ba yung reaction ng Gen Z? Ganito pa rin ba? True enough, pag teenager ka, medyo universal yung experience eh. Parang common pa rin whether you're for the boomer generation or Gen X or millennial, lahat tayo dumaan sa pagiging high school, lahat tayo dumaan sa first love, first heartbreak, first away ng barkada. And so, kahit yun yung hinuhope ko din, na even if ginawa naming Gen Z, sinulat ng isang millennial, nakaka-relate lahat ng generation because lahat tayo dumaan sa high school na sobrang important part ng buhay natin.
Congratulations, looking forward to the series.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jayco Talks. Next up, Vito Robles ng VTalks. Hi, VTalks.
Hello po, good afternoon. Good afternoon. First of all, congratulations to the cast. Ang dami nila and mukhang lahat promising, and to the director and to the writer din po. So, my question po is for everyone, kung sino po yung pwede sumagot. For the cast. So, paano nyo dadalhin sa screen yung barkada feels ng Section E, lalo na yung mix ng funny at hugot moments? So, bakit na kaya ako naisip pa rin question? Kasi I love the book. So, I want to know paano nila dadalhin sa screen.
Paano po dadalhin sa scene yung...
Yes, yung funny at hugot moments.
Yung hugot, family at hugot moment.
Funny and hugot moments.
Actually, sa tingin ko hindi na po kami mahihirapan doon kasi ayun nga, pakita nyo kanina, medyo close na po kami kasi po may mga pinagsamahan po kami mga workshops and meron din po kaming fight rehearsals and during those times po, nagkakaloko-lokohan na po kami and ayun, madali po kami naging comfortable sa isa't isa. Thank you po.
Thank you po. And,
Alright. Robin? Sure, yeah.
Ayun nga po, gaya ng sabi ni Ashton, hindi na po kami mahihirapan sa banda namin lahat kasi sila lahat po tropa ko na eh. Dati pa nakakasama ko na sila Charles, sila Kurt, pero ngayon nakasama ko na sila lahat sa workshops, sa fight rehearsals, and dami kong mga bagong tropa.
Daming bagong tropa. Alright, I hope that satiated your question. Next up, we have Erwin Ogawa ng Anong Ganap.
Alright, kaysa cast na lang, so ano mga preparations nyo for your roles? Preparations for the role.
Preparations for the roles.
Yung libro, para mas maintindihan ko po yung character at yung mga personality ni JJ. And bukod po doon, nag-acting workshops po kami para mas maging comfortable po kami sa isa't isa.
And kano kayo ka-excited sa taping, pag-start ng taping?
Ako kinakabahan po ako sa tape. Kinakabahan po ako kasi nag-memorize na nga po ako ng script eh. Pero magandang kaba naman po kasi gusto ko po ibigay yung best ko and sana po hindi ko po ma-disappoint si Direk.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Salamat for anong ganap. Next up, we have CJ Boados says ng CJ Says Blog.
Hi guys! Congratulations! Direct Tinker. Favorite ko talaga yung Beans Can and James. So, congratulations and good luck to this.
Salamat. And trivia, yung dalawang scriptwriters ko ng pelikulang to ay yung mga junior writers ko din sa Vincent Cat and James.
Oh, congratulations guys. My question is for the writer. Miss Lara, wait lang. Wait lang po. To Miss Lara, what advice would you give to the aspiring writers who dream of seeing their stories adapted to the screens?
Keep writing. Huwag nilang intindihan kung susikat ba o hindi yung gawa nila kasi hindi naman yung writer ang nag-decide doon. Panahon ang gagawa. So, keep writing.
Yeah. Alright. So, next up, we have Alan Sancon ng Stars Photo.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations sa your new project. Tanong ka lang kay Andres. Kaya dito ako sa Andre din. Andres, parang sabi nga, karugtulad na sa question ni MJ kanina, this will be your first project na kahiwalay yung family mo. What advice yung binigay sa iyo ni Aga and ni Charlene sa paggawa nitong series na to?
The advice they gave me was more on just trust in yourself. Be confident always, and really just believe in yourself talaga. That's the advice that they gave me. Ako naman, I don't really ask my parents for advice all the time. They let me try to figure things out on my own. That's when I make my mistakes, that's when I'll talk to them. So, yan po.
Saan ka pinaka-excited na sa project na to? Compared dun sa ginawa mong project dun sa First Family?
Well, they're both very exciting kasi kakaiba din. Kasi yung First Family ay sitcom, you know, it's all in the aspect of comedy. Tapos ito naman, mas may drama, you know, mas may onting kilig-kilig, you know. And so, it's definitely a lot different from what I'm doing. But I'm very excited to experience all of it because it's all very new to me as well. And I'll learn a lot.
Thank you. Congratulations everyone.
Thank you. Pagkakataon na doon ng cast para magbigay everybody, para mas lalo pa silang maantig and to better look forward to what's to come. Guys, go on ahead. I'm giving the floor to everybody. Yeah. Take the liberty of speaking to the crowd, speaking to...
I'll go first. Okay. Since ngayon pa lang na-reveal yung cast and I know that many people on social media will have their own opinions. And masasabi ko lang is I hope that you guys give us all a chance because we really worked hard to learn our characters and to know their personalities and we really want to give you guys a good show. So
we just really want all the readers po na hopefully we will give justice to the characters. Lalo na po sinulat po ito ni Miss Lara. I just want to give her a round of applause everyone. Kasi wala po kami lahat dito. And some of us are newbies, and we're so very thankful for Viva One for giving us a chance to be able to showcase our talents, not just locally. Hopefully, mapanood nyo po international. Yun po yung goal namin lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, isang sukdulan taimtim.
Na hindi namin ma-disappoint yung mga readers dyan, yung mga imaginations nyo. Kasi we're really working hard on this project. Kahit mag-overtime kami sa workshop and all, mabigay lang namin yung best namin. So I hope we don't support you guys. Yun lang po. Thank you.
There you go. You heard it here first.
Guys, konti lang yung masasabi ko. Magaling yung director natin, tsaka yung scriptwriter.
Yeah.
Ilan na lang guys. Plus, I'm with talented artists over here guys. Magagaling sila talaga. Siyempre, isang now din.
Yung masasabi ko po, yung promise po namin lahat is ibibigay po namin yung best namin. And we will do our best to showcase our characters. Basta yun, ibibigay talaga namin lahat namin. And yun lang yung promise. Thank you po.
Well, ang gaganda po ng comments nila, so walang masyadong negative, more on positive comments po. So, feel ko magagawa po namin ng maayos yung project and sobrang excited na po sa taping. So, abangan nyo na lang po, guys. Yo.
Ayun nga, we're just as excited as you are. Nabasa namin yung comments habang nila-livestream kasi ganun kami ka-excited. We wanted to know what you thought of us. And sobrang happy namin nung nabasa namin na you guys are very satisfied with the casting. Yun po kasi kinakabahan po talaga kami kung matatanggap ba nila kami. At yes, tanggap kami. So ayun guys, abangan nyo kasi we put a lot of effort into this and we're so excited to show you.
Reassure yun naman na gagawin na artists dito, actor, actresses. Inaral namin yung character namin. So, maganda to. Abangan nyo.
Ayan, matitiyak talaga natin maganda. We have room for 2 more.
Yes.
Last 2.
Ako po, I feel like ito pong Wattpad Stories is the future. It's the future po talaga of storytelling. And kumbaga, you know, the Wattpad Stories po kasi galing po sa inyo rin eh, sa mga audience. And kumbaga, we just brought it to life. So, ma-excite po kayo kasi nakaka-excite po talaga. And this whole process po, we will for sure not disappoint you guys. And we will go beyond your expectations. Kaya, super happy. And let's go Section E.
Go Section E!
So yun lang naman guys, masasabi ko lang dito sa mga masasabi ko. Tayo na po yung mga gagawin po namin.
Thank you. That about wraps it up for the question and answer proper. Gusto ko po tumindig yung mga artists natin dito sa Entablado. But all good things must come to an end. Pero okay lang. Because if you want to see more of them, to mga kahuhumalingan natin, mga artistang to, you can always subscribe to Viva One for more of that, alright? We would like to thank everybody who's been a part of this since the start of the event. Sa lahat ng media, content creator, fans, family, friends present today, maraming salamat sa inyo. Again, don't forget to download Viva One. Subscribe so you may also stream it. Okay? Magkita-kita tayo dyan. You can also see us via our website, that's viva1.ph. Para sure na sure, tiyak na mapapanood nyo ang mutya ng Section E.